G'day Green Thumbs, Nelson here from the Garden City Gardener. Today I'm making my very own seed raising mix. Now in my opinion, this is not only the best, but it's the most cost effective and it's definitely the easiest seed raising mix you can make at home. Let's get into it. So today I'm actually in the process of planting up some of my winter seeds, but for now we're not going to need this stuff, so I'm just going to put it over here. What we are going to need, however, is a good spade and a fork. You're going to need a decent sized bucket, good measuring cup. I've got some core peat blocks here. Now these things come in all shapes and sizes. I've gone for the little 9 litre ones. They're about $2.50 from Bunnings. Easy to make up as you need it. Right, so that's why I've gone for these guys, because I'm only going to be planting up 2 or 3 seedling trays today. So one of these is probably going to do that. I'm not busting open a big pack. I think they come up to 90 litres from Bunnings. So obviously this is enough for me. Now we've also got some vermiculite and some perlite. So both of these products help in the aeration and the drainage of your seedling mix, alright? The only real difference between these two is this one actually improves your water retention, whereas this one doesn't as much. I prefer to use this one in winter because you don't want a soggy seed mix. This one in summer because you want to hold that moisture in the heat of the day. We've also got some eco seaweed, so any of your kelp meal style products are great. This is just a water soluble fertilizer which we're going to add to our seedling mix. So to start off with, what we're going to do is open this up. Put that in our bucket. Now what we want to do, need about 4.5 litres. Now obviously we can add more water if we do need that little bit more moisture, but that's what it says on the packet. We're generally pretty fine. Now what we're going to do is we're going to let that soak for 10 minutes and then we'll come back to it.
So we've let that soak for about 15 minutes, and as you can see I did break it up a little bit once it did start to get a little bit softer. Just going to get a fork, give it a good little stir around. So you can see the consistency of that. It's a nice fine product. You can see how wet it is, so it has got a fair bit of moisture still in it. Just make sure we haven't got any clumps in there, any dry clumps. Normally it absorbs that moisture really well, so it's not something you normally have to worry about. So now just to finish this stuff off, what we're going to do is we're going to add our eco seaweed. Any seaweed powder that's obviously water soluble is great for this. Just go as per the directions for use on the side here. So obviously this isn't in water, but it says a 9 litre watering can, half a level scoop. So that's what I'm going to do here. It's really all you need. It's really just a little bit of extra nutrients. So it's a little bit more. Just a little bit of extra nutrients to give those seeds a real kick start in life. So just turn that in there like that, give it a good mix in. So as you can see, half one of those measuring cups in here is really not that much. That stuff's so concentrated. All of those style products are generally so concentrated that you don't need that much of it. So we've got that there. Now, as I sort of said earlier, we're going to be using perlite because it is coming into winter for us, and we don't want this mix to get really soggy and stay wet. If we were doing this mix for summer, we'd be using the vermiculite, which just does improve the moisture retention of this stuff here. And obviously over summer where it's a bit hot, dries out a little bit quicker, we want that added moisture retention. So this perlite stuff we've got here, it does say on the back of this about 1 litre to the 9 litre peat brick. So this is the 9 litre peat brick. So we're going to put about 1 litre in there. Now I'm only going to measure it roughly. This is 5 litres, so we want about 1/5 of this bag. And I'm just going to do it roughly. I'm not overly concerned if there's a little bit too much or not enough in there. It's really just an aid for your seed raising mix. There you go, so we give that a mix through there like that. May not be enough yet anyway. Have a look. So there we go. How good does that look?
And here's the finished product, guys. This is honestly the easiest, it's the best, and it is definitely the most cost-effective way to make your own seed raising mix, alright? To give you a bit of a breakdown on what the cost went into this, these are less than $2.50. These are $10 each, less than $10 each. We use a fifth of it, so there's $2. We use $2 of that, $2.50 of that. This normally retails for about $30, so you got to think we put about 5 grams in there, and there's 600 grams in the packet. So I'm not doing the maths on that, but it's tiny, probably 50 cents. All right. And now comes the fun part. We're going to evenly distribute our beautiful seed raising mix into our trays. Get our seeds, sow our seeds as per the directions on the back or inside of the packet. Handy hint, label them as you go. And well guys, I'm going to get into it. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, comment, tell us what you liked about this video. If you've learned anything, don't forget, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.